Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to go back to your default or original theme on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen and then tap on themes. Here you can see my stuff option. If you cannot find it here, then just tap on menu and then tap on my stuff. Now here you can see your default or original theme. If you want to apply it, just tap here and then tap on apply and give it a moment, and it's done. Now you can see in my phone theme has been changed successfully. Also, if you want to delete your downloaded theme, just go to same settings again. From here tap on this theme and then tap on delete, then tap on delete again, and it's done. And that is how you can go back to your default or original theme on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.